Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to filter chats by tag here in LiveChat. You actually have two options. All right. So first off, by checking your archives right here in the left panel, click on archives. Now just go ahead and click on add a filter right here. Click on it and go ahead and select tag. Now just go ahead and select any tag that you want. Okay. For example, I have here support like so. And as you can see, there are no archive yet from this specific tag. Okay. But I do have one which is complaint like so. Just wait for it and make sure that it says here match any, or you have these conditions, match all and exclude is not. Okay, there you go. I have here complaint and this one is complaint. If you have a ton of chats in here, you'll be able to see a list. All right, so don't worry about it. Now the other option is by reports. Click on reports. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and click on chats in this section, click on chats and click on tags usage like so. And then once done, you'll be able to see all of your tag breakdown in this section at the very bottom. Okay, we have here complaint. When I go ahead and highlight it, as you can see, it will only show the ticket that got the complaint tag. Okay. You can go ahead and click on the number right here. And again, you'll be able to see a list in this section. And that is it. That is how you filter chats by tag here in LiveChat. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.